Hey there, coffee enthusiasts! Are you ready to transform your morning ritual? DIY coffee syrups are about to take your brew to the next level. Picture this, your ordinary cup of coffee morphing into a luxurious café delight right in your kitchen. Let's jump right in. To create a simple vanilla syrup, mix equal parts of sugar and water in a saucepan. Add a generous splash of fragrant vanilla extract. Heat the mixture gently until the sugar melts into a sweet elixir, and just like that, you have a velvety syrup. Craving something richer? For caramel, let sugar melt slowly until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Then, carefully mix in some creamy goodness and a sprinkle of salt. It's like magic in a jar. But wait, there's more. Hazelnut or mocha flavors are just as simple to whip up. Just infuse your base syrup with your favorite nuts or chocolate for an extra flavor explosion. These syrups aren't limited to coffee alone. Drizzle them over fluffy pancakes or creamy ice cream for a delightful surprise. The options are limitless, and your taste buds will be singing with joy. So, what are you waiting for? Gather those ingredients and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouthwatering DIY recipes. Happy brewing! Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.